blue dye is not coming out.
I'm just peeking. No, don't cheat.
Hey!
I know, but what the frick?
Aiden.
No, but what happened to it?
It's working. You just gotta keep moving. It doesn't grow. But it's not gonna turn up. It's not gonna turn up. My slime stinks.
Mine just smells like.
Mine smells like
It's.
Let's see if mine turns out. Mine's turning out. They're adding so much activator. Wait, mine's really liquidy.
I know, right?
It kind of ruined. Oh my gosh! It seriously ruined my slime. It
Let's put
ruined.
1 squirt of every condiment.
No.
Yes, stay good.
Hey, I bought this goofy maker.
Who the cares?
Oh my gosh, it's actually working. Okay. I'm getting really high hopes for this.
Why high? Are you high on cocaine?
It's not working. Like nothing I can do is gonna work. It's not working, you guys. We really messed
Let's
this
add
up.
a little bit of slime into it, guys.
Yeah, let's add a little bit of our slime.
Just a little tiny
I'm
chunk.
gonna add some of like the white slime that I made.
Oh yeah, our white slime.
Let's add our white slime. Oh my gosh, that's pretty.
Just a little chunk like that.
Like this, like this.
That's way too big.
Yeah,
See
that.
Ready? Ah. Says that it looks like. Here, I'll get the slime up. The chunks are here.
I'm just adding more activator just to see. Oh wait, it's turning! It's turning! Mine's turning!
The slime does not do anything.
Yeah, the slime doesn't do anything. Gotta keep. Okay, I'm getting high hopes now. High hopes. Mine's turning!
Try to like break your slime apart to get mixed up.
Wait, it's working! It's working, you guys! It's working! It's gonna turn into slime. See? It's clumping up. It's clumping up. Mine's gonna be like a really, really sticky, jiggly slime. I don't know if it's gonna be jiggly. Yeah, I need some more.
I'm just liquid.
Ooh, that's nice. It's working. We kind of cheated on the blindfolded part.
I'm gonna try to make some gaming videos like Bloons City.
What? Not today. On Heyday, you're gonna do it?
Oh no, I'm just trying to put my nose up there. Because I do this. I cannot post a video today.
He'll try to edit it tomorrow because we don't have school.
I can't actually edit. I can't really edit anything.
He'll try to on his computer.
I don't really have a computer.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
A school computer.
No, it's not a school computer.
Yes,
You
it is.
You have a real computer and you have a phone. And you have a phone. And I have a phone.
Well, I'm iPhone X. Why they make an iPhone 8 and an iPhone 10?
I don't know.
They made the iPhone 10 like a couple weeks later. Like 2 weeks.
Okay, this is really working. Like, this is really good. I
Mine's-
just need some more
mine's-
activator.
Can't mine's just liquid. What did I do wrong?
You just gotta keep adding some activator. See, mine's working just fine. You just gotta keep adding some activator. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one. I might. Actually, I am going. It's because it's my first food slime. Who would put Gatorade in this slime?
Oh! You need to keep an activator.
What was that?
Remember that one time playing Charlie and I had door closed?
Yeah, but what was that? No, my big clump of slime just melted.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where?
In my slime. It's in
Oh,
my
it did?
Yeah.
Mine did a little bit too. I need to keep that activated.
Okay,
See,
mine's
the more
working.
activator. I love when it does that right there.
I know, it just makes it like lump. Oh gosh, this is so nice. Okay, look at this.
Wish I could show you guys.
Wait, we should get a close up and do some ASMR. Wait, we have a really big mess still. We have a really big mess to clean up. I'm gonna make mine like a yellow because lime, you know. This food coloring is garbage. It's like gone to me. There's nothing left in there. It looks like it, but then nothing will come out. Like nothing will come out. Like some air stuff. What are you doing? You filling it up with water? No, Kaden, don't! I want to use it to pretend I have some. I'm just kidding.
I thought she said the F word.
What did she say?
I thought she said the F word.
Just gonna start mixing your slime, Kaden, see what it'll turn out like. Yours isn't turning, Kaden. Your spoon is so dirty. Look at your spoon.
My slime
is so dirty.
And he has some more activator.
Don't! I just ate that one. It's not turning.
It's liquid. It's liquid.
Wasn't it turning before?
No. Let me just. I want to play with this for a half an hour. Shoot! I didn't get anything in there.
Justin,
Half an hour later. Bye.
get down here.
Okay, guys. Half an hour later, and it's nothing happened.
What are you doing?
Do you know why it didn't happen? Because you added too much of that.
What?
And because when you were going to cut that thing open, I added more.
Truck?
Did you really?
Yeah. Look back on the video.
You did?
Yeah, look back on the video.
Hey!
Why aren't you coming down here?
That actually makes my slime really sticky.
I love that.
Slime.
Why does it feel like mine has hair in it?
Because it probably does. Just add more of this here. Keep adding that. Just mix it. Do you want me to mix it for you? Let me play with mine.
This feels nice. No, can you mix it with me?
Nice.
Can you mix it with me?
Yeah, sure. Mix it.
It actually feels no.
You can play with
me.
me.
Come on. It actually feels really nice.
Mix yours.
Oh, that's
It does, you guys. This is so nice.
Oh no! Jack, don't get out my. No! Just squirt. No! Don't do that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Just do this. Stop!
What
You never put any in?
Oh, it's all the game of battery.
Stop doing that! Just keep squishing it. Go back and like this. Yeah, if you don't stop. Just knock it off. Just keep doing this. Yeah. Stop.
Okay, we need to add more of this.
Did you fart, Kaden? Did you fart?
No, it's Preston.
Did you fart?
That was President. That was President. Oh, you just turned into liquid. Oh my god, play mine now.
Oh, that's
The
funny.
mine's full.
I got slime stuck.
It's turning the slime. His is turning the slime.
Stop.
No, we don't know what happened. It just messed it up. We need more glue.
No, we don't. Can you just have to keep mixing it? You guys.
Yeah, like get your hand out. Get your hand out.
See, it's turning the slime.
Stop it, you mermaid.
I'm not a mermaid. Okay, thanks for all that slime goo.
You guys need to get cleaned up because Danica's got a shower and you gotta put your clothes. You got another load of clothes.
You guys gotta get to bed.
No!
Yeah.
No! No,
Oh my
no.
gosh.
Oh my gosh.
No.
No. Hey, Mom, look at my hand.
Hold on, I'll get it off.
Wait, it's working. Do you want me to help you?
It just melts off.
Do you want me to?
You gotta play with it. This is the stickiest slime in the world.
You just gotta keep adding some active.
No! No more acting powder! Stop it!
See, just keep mixing it. See, it's turning. It's turning. It's turning to slime. Did I just scratch
You
it?
freaking scratched me! You can't scratch me. Go third time. Stop!
I'm just trying to play with it. So
Oh!
he looks so cute.
Come.
What? Huh? Come on. Oh, yours looks like milk.
You need some active water.
It looks like milk.
You need some active water.
I just added your slime into mine.
Hey! Whoa, it made it so stretchy. Why?
Keys, get out of here.
Thanks for adding all that into my.
Oh, you.
Kaden, give me my slime back.
No, it's mine.
My slime.
Other way.
You know we're putting this into one slime, right? Let's do it. Ready, guys? Here's our first and 2. Here's this one. Here's our 4th,
That's scary, but.
5.
I didn't add mine in yet.
Do it.
I'm not going to.
Scary.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
You guys, I'm not trying to hate on you.
Fine,
but
I'm
I'm
gonna
like,
add them in my bowl.
Go play with your own.
And you can make some more in my bowl because I have a bigger
so,
bowl.
hey guys, I'll show you this.
Well, can I poke it? I'm gonna poke it.
No,
I'm gonna poke it.
no.
I'm adding these two
Play
together.
with yours.
Well, no, I'm not gonna add this one.
Y'all ready for this ASMR?
Should I add this one, King? Should I add this one?
Do it.
No, I don't want to. I'm gonna keep it.
Find some online.
No, it's not.
Huh?
Fine, I added it. There you go. I did it, King.
That fits my. Whoa! Look at that!
put it
Look
in
at that
mine,
on the
Kate.
ground.
Kate,
Let's show you
put it
because
in
I'm
mine.
brown.
You just said the essence.
No, I said shoot because I'm brown.
Oh, maybe it's.
Put some of that stuff, that white stuff in mine. Come on, put some in mine.
No, put it in mine.
I have a bigger bowl, Kaden.
No. Put it in mine.
So give me some. Give me half of it.
No!
I
Stop!
can poke it, Kaden.
I have no clue either.
Ow! Freaking get scratched!
I'm not scratching you.
Are you guys ready for this? I'm gonna say
This
so.
is a giraffe.
No, I'm gonna do it, guys. Ready for this? Caden's ASMR.
And then we can do Daniel's ASMR.
Giraffe's got those really long.
You keep scratching me!
Let's do Daniel's ASMR. Let's see who does it better.
They're at the.
Guys, like mine.
Okay, give me some. That's not yours.
This is all. No, Dick, this is going to your room. Sky top.
I want to try to squish it.
Wait.
Give me a key.
So, guys, I'm the winner of the day. Now, Dick has to do anything I say, right? As I say, but it's not gonna be like.
It's gonna melt, Kaden. Let me have some.
No, yeah, but put it in your room. Okay, just say. That's okay. After I'm done thinking, I'll eat. So, what my challenge is going to be? Did it come? Squeeze this in the mouth for 2 seconds, for 3 seconds. Like, okay. Yep. Fine, I'm keeping this.
Fine.
Oh, shit.
Ready?
Ready?
Oh,
You have to hold it in there. I'll see. Hold it! No, not that! No, she's not playing with this. Okay, guys, if they do it, then they will. If they do not do that, they don't get to play with the dope slime. Yeah, every day when we make slime, we combine it.
There he is.
And then once they runs out of slime, all the slime we made combined. So this is.
I suppose you could.
Imagine this once a day. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the world's biggest. That would be like the world's biggest slime.
No, okay.
I don't do that.
Can I play with it?
You have to do it. You have to hold like squeeze
No,
for 3
we
seconds.
use this stuff.
Fine then. Get a teaspoon of mustard.
No.
Fine then.
What else you got in here? Looks like a puppy.
Put your tongue in some glue.
Really?
Like,
No.
Like I don't. Stop. Mom, do you like our slime?
Horrible.
Yes. You heard the ASMR?
Kaden, can I play with it?
Yeah, dude. Mommy, can you tell King to let me touch it?
Let her touch it.
Let's see.
That's a cow.
Kaden, come on.
This is like the reaction.
Come on.
You gotta do a challenge.
Kaden, no, I
Okay,
don't.
shove 3 paper towels in your mouth there.
Keaton.
No, that's the loser of the day has to do it.
Let me play with it.
Look at your head. Do it first.
No.
Fine, then, guys. She is the loser of the day.
Mommy.
She has to do it first.
You gonna do anything?
You don't do anything? Take it.
Hey,
Cheers, guys. You guys enjoyed this time.